In the fading light of day, a brave leader gathers his followers for a journey into the unknown. Before them stands a mighty obstacle, a city that mocks their purpose with its impenetrable walls. Each day they circle the city, facing jeers and taunts from those who doubt their resolve. From above, the opposing forces watch, their derision cutting through the air like a chilling wind. With hearts united and faith unyielding, the people of Israel stand ready for the ultimate test of their resolve. In a cacophony of sound, the walls of Jericho tremble, a prelude to the miraculous events about to unfold. Behold, as the seemingly invincible barriers crumble, revealing a path to triumph previously unseen and unimaginable. Amid the chaos, the victors emerge, their faces alight with the glow of a victory born from unwavering faith and unity. In defeat, the once proud city dwellers are left to ponder the power of faith and the courage of those who trust in a higher purpose. With Jericho behind them, the journey continues, each step a testament to the enduring values of faith, perseverance, and unity.